remember me kind of left my old channel, but the reason I left that because I've been focusing on my dreams, like this, and this is the heart monster. Squish it. Many other stuff. I want to be an engineer when I grow up, so I'm focusing more on that by making these already. So yeah, it's basically that. Then I'll upload videos every week from now on. Yeah, that's probably it. I just do that.